Today is South Lake Tahoe bike night. We are going to bike night right now over at Steamer's Bar and Grill. Gonna go meet some people there and have a good old time. South Lake Tahoe bike night. But first, just want to show you guys something. Choppers Magazine, issue 15. Sally, Anthony, what's up? Boom. Bike night. Come on, sweetie.
It's not a very smooth table.
Some white trash fucking dice game. Let's go,
Damn,
dude.
set of 5.
Let's go.
2, you win. Whatever the wizard
Got
said.
spare fuel, dude? Got some extra gas on there? We're allowed to drink those in the parking lot, or what's the deal with that?
I don't know, I'm just gonna find out.
I don't think they gotta know, dude.
I was just talking to...
We identify as Nevada right now. Look around.
Yeah.
This is Nevada as fuck.
Here you go. Connor.
Oh my fucking god. Shaken, not stirred.
Cheers. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Roll your bars back. I just sat. Roll your bars back.
What's up, dog? How are you? Good to see you.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute. I've been out of commission all last summer. I missed everything. Didn't go to any events.
What's your problem with it? It fucking wiggles?
Better get rained on.
I think it'll solve my problems. I don't know what I'm doing.
25%.
Just pinch this. Take this pin out and pinch it.
I never met him, and then one day he's like, "That's a kid." My roommate's like, "This is a kid." We met. We went out to fucking VC, and he like helped me when my bike broke down.
over there, see the bag game.
That's stupid.
He's patched up for sure. Electric line.
You know?
Yeah, but his is CFI.
Los Angeles.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Yeah,
Up there, it's hard because you're up the mountain, you're down the mountain. Down. Yeah, I mean, as much as I've been like, I fucking hate it. It's like got me out of my element. Put me in there, using a different part of my brain. Shit that I would have never really got into. But I want to go on like back injuries
Clutch in, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.